Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about how many hours per day we need to be spent to read for GPAT exam. So this is some question lot of students are asking. In this particular video I am going to tell everything about how many hours per day we need to be read for GPAT exam. At the same time I would like to mention my personal experience with respect to GPAT preparation and how many hours I spent. If you like this video, hit that fat thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Right, let's go into the video. So yes, it is purely depend upon how much quality you are reading. Like if you see a lot of students, including me also, I'm not criticizing anyone. So in my MS time, I use the WhatsApp and everything. So when I read for book or something, I always see for notification. If any notification came in my WhatsApp or something somewhere else, so I was literally going to chat and I'm wasting my time. So but I'm thinking that I'm reading and book is in front of me, but actually I'm chatting. So my mind is always thinking about chatting, WhatsApp and YouTube notifications, watching the fun videos in YouTube. So this is happened to me in my MS time. So that means if you are spending time, but that spending time is quality or not, that means you are giving complete that 1 hour or 2 hours time only for reading textbook or only reading for book, yes or not, that is only depend upon you. But how much time your quality is spending for reading the GPAT exam, that is very important. Quality and quality of time. So how much quality of reading is there, that means you are reading, how much you are understanding the topic while reading. Lot of students don't even do this, they just read peripherally. So if you are doing like that, it will not give you any result to you. But not only quality, it depends upon the quantity of time. So you are giving 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. In 1 hour time, how much you are reading? So if you are a slow reader, how much you are reading? That depends upon the candidate or the student. So if you are the slow reader, if you are the slow learner, you need to be spend more time to learn it. For example, if you're a quick learner, you can learn the same topic in 1 hour. If you're the slow learner, you need to be spend 4 hours to learn the same topic. So it differs from person to person. Don't worry about it. But you need to be spend quality of time and quantity of time. That is very, very important. My personal experience, I would like to tell. In my GPAT preparation time, I don't have any mobile. But in my MS time, MS Sniper Mohali time, I have the mobile. So what happened when I get mobile, I always to enjoy in mobile. So I'm not having that much focus what I have in my GPAT preparation time. So that means what I want to tell you, if you want to read or if you want to get good productivity, keep mobile phone away from you and read in that books or in hard copy books. So that will give you more productivity. But if you keep mobile phone near to you and if you get any notification in the WhatsApp or somewhere else, your brain is always thinking about that notification and you want to think that something, and your concentration will go away from the book. So that is the reason. If you want to get good productivity and if you want to learn, you are asking how many hours. So if you read 1 hour by keeping mobile phone away, it will be more productive. Or if you are reading mobile phone keeping with you 5 hours, also not productive, and you are not learning that much when you are with your mobile phone. And this also happened to me. So and after that I identified, okay, this is a major problem. If I keep mobile phone with me, I am not getting productivity, and in 1 hour I am not learning anything. So that is the reason, and now I keep always my mobile phone away from me. But in my GPAT preparation, I don't have mobile phone. I already explained this. But in my MS time, I have mobile phone. So my focus is not on the books and completely little decreased. And my focus was went to the social media, WhatsApp and YouTube. So I'm not even using some other platforms. But these platforms, my attention was increased. So and I'm decreasing the reading focus on my books. So I identified this and I kept my mobile phone away from me. So slowly my concentration was increased and my scores was getting increased in my MS time. So that's what I want to tell. If you want to read how many hours, it not matter, but how much quality you are giving. If you want to give quality of time, please keep mobile phone away from you for while reading 1 hour or 30 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it may be. That much time, please keep it as a airplane mode or whatever it may be. If you want, keep it and you can read it. So that will help you, right? And it was a decrease, right? I already explained this. And try to read in a hard copy of books. Don't try to read in soft copy books, because in case of hard copy of books, your eyes was not strained. So that if you read 1 hour or 30 minutes also, your concentration will be very high. But if you are reading in mobile phone or digital or soft copy notes, that automatically increases our increase stress on the eyesight, so automatically our concentration will be decreased. This was I experienced in my Naipur Mohali MS time, because in Naipur Mohali MS time we don't have any textbooks. We directly need to be read from the research articles. Those research articles we download in Sahab and we read. When we read that, we get a lot of eye stress, so then automatically our focus will be dragged down. So that's what I did. I always take the printout of the research article and I read, so that means my focus will be increased, and at the same time I can highlight the points and I can write my own notes. That is the reason. Don't read in soft copies. If you want to read much productive, much less thing in less time, more lessons or more content, just read in the hard copy books. And focus on quantity also important. Now up to now I discussed quality, so how you can improve your quality of reading in less time, more quantity. So now I'm going to tell you how to focus on quantity also, because if you see a lot of students want to get the, if you only focus on the quality, it doesn't give result, but you need to be focused on quantity also. That means how many chapters you are reading. For example, I would like to read 2 chapters a day, or 1 chapter in 2 days, like that I would like to focus. So that means I don't want to spend 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours one a day to read, but I want to spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hour day to complete 1 chapter or 2 chapter. That means I'm spending quality of time, at the same time I'm focusing on quantity also, how much I'm reading. So that is also important if you want to get good rank. And we should need to be follow, means quantity also important if you want to get good rank. And focus on the productivity, that means how much productive you are. Like for example, some students are productive at night time, so you can read at night time. So I'm the productive. So actually I tried in the, a lot of people tell that if we read in the morning times we have productivity, but I tried in 4:30 am, but I getting sleep, so I'm not productive that much in the morning times. I was productive in the daytime, afternoon time and evening time. In the morning after 6 I will be productive. If you are productive at morning 5:30 or 6:30, or if you are productive in the morning 4:30, you can read at that time. So that means based on your productive time, keep mobile phone away from you and read. I think this is the 4:30 or morning time is very good pretty time, because all people are in the sleeping and quite peaceful environment, and you not get any notification mobile or WhatsApp or YouTube, so you can easily read in the morning times. If you are productive at night time, please keep all the notifications turn off and read well. So that means in your productive time, if you focus in the less time, if you focus 1 hour also, you can learn a lot of things. Usually I prefer to read 3 hours per day for GPAT exam, and in this 3 hours per day I would like to spend 50 hours for reading. So and 10 minutes for revision, not 10 minutes for solving MCQs. So in the 3 hours, so almost is 360 180 minutes. In this 180 minutes I would like to spend 150 minutes for only reading, 30 minutes for learning the MCQ. That means every day 30 MCQs I will learn. So this is the way how many hours you need to be read. So how many hours is not, doesn't matter. How much quality, how much productivity, how much quantity you are reading in less time. That is important thing. And not only learning, how much you are able to reproducible. That is another important criteria. I hope you understand. If you like this video, hit that fat thumbs up button and share with your friends.